Now you get from Vedika also.
Call Vedika, the cutest sister.
Yeah.
So scared.
Arey
Hey.
Vedika, hello Vedika.
Hello.
Hey, Veedi,
Can you
that
hear
was
us?
Corn
Vedika
sandwich,
सुनाई
right?
दे रहा है?
That was corn sandwich, right?
वेदिका पूरा चैट बोल रहा था कि क्यूटेस्ट सिस्टर एवर, क्योंकि तुमने आके सब कुछ हम लोग बोला विदित को अभी पक्का सब खाना वगैरह वेदिका दे रही है एवरी राउंड में. Was it true?
या उसने बना के दिया और बीच में उसके चॉकलेट्स भी खा रहा था.
Yeah, exactly. Vedika's
Okay, but guys, sorry. If he has these chocolates during games, I mean, then the score is not so great. Yeah, I mean, for such chocolates, I think you have to go. I mean, then it explains everything. Of course, that's easy to beat Dubov and Andrejkin if you have such chocolates. No.
Yeah, that's good. So maybe first few rounds he had chocolates.
Anish, the dream of you becoming brand ambassador of Vedika chocolates is soon going to come true. Yeah.
I think all the businesses are closing. Everything is collapsing because of COVID, and the chocolate business is the only one I think that has any future.
Yeah. It's some new. It's coming up soon, guys. All of you who are waiting here,
For
Vedika
sure.
chocolates.
After Vidit already showed his promotion skills with the Blackout app. Yeah. Now it's going to be Vedika chocolates already, all very smooth.
No, I
think the whole streaming, the whole channel, all these 200,000 whatever subscribers, it is just to promote Vedika's chocolate. This is all set up to advertise the chocolates.
Yeah. Vedika's chocolates. I'm ready to promote. You are ready to promote. Samay, Vidit, everyone. So
Anish Giri always makes fun of Black Lotus. You are promoting Black Lotus. You should also say about his French course. No, you know how much he has promoted his French course. This guy, every moment he gets on Twitter, he's just promoting that French course, man.
If nobody buys it, then he has to promote it.
Bird, guys, let's prove him wrong. Let's go and buy that course. You can get a www.chessable.
Wow, Anish. Amazing.
Good stuff. Chessable.com/Anish. Yeah.
Guys, get it. Tonight is the special offer on Samay's birthday. Please put Unacademy S Raina 10 in Chessable.
Happy
Hey, thank you, Vedika. Thank you so much.
God.
Naro Nashik.
I'll sleep now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bye. Good night.
Vedika, do you know today is Samay's birthday?
Abhi
Actually, what was the reason?
हम तो zone out हो गए.
Okay.
Chalo, bye.
Bye, Vedika.
Bye.
ऐसा conversation हुआ.
Hey,
Samay,
Veedi,
Vidit,
Yeah,
how
that's
far
right.
can you go? Vidit, how far can you go to promote Black Lotus?
Me?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have to whenever I promote it, actually, it's not even promotion. It's just what I feel genuinely.
Would you ever go this far that you would involve a family member, walk a kilometer, and then in the end at a park you would both, use Black Lotus?
I don't need to.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
all.
need to.
No, just saying.
There's no need for that.
Yeah.
It's just automatic, dil se aata hai, and then I just say it.
Bilkul. For more details, guys, please watch the video Anish Giri has made on his Instagram.
What video Anish Giri has made?
नहीं देखा?
Nahi.
Anish Giri walks ऐसे behind Sophie को देखो एकदम far.
Oh,
Oh yeah, of course, that I've seen. Oh, that's what you meant. Oh, yeah.
How many minutes Anish did it take?
It is such a beautiful video
For
for that
Sophie
one
Zero.
ad.
No, but I had to say that Sophie go walking. I mean, she did walk a few times back and forth. Let's be real. But it took all in all that walking part took maybe 15 minutes. But we managed fine. Yeah. No, but it's it was actually sightseeing also nice. No, some Paris sightseeing. Not so bad.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful video. Amazing.
Yeah. No, actually, we were already in Paris, so it was not only for that. It's like if Vidit already goes to some holy place, then okay, Black Lotus CEO will call, say, okay, Vidit, now that you are in holy place, can you also make some shots for Black Lotus?
But Anish, did you use it, Black Lotus?
I got some reminder today. Yeah.
Again, really?
Yeah.
Anish, use it. No, use it. I mean,
You think it will help? Yeah.
Anish,
Okay.
you have nice hair. Your hair can get better. Just saying.
Mama.
Okay, I'm starting to use it right from now. Yeah, for sure.
no, do one pack. Okay, don't do many.
Yes.
Just
You
finish
can
one
use
pack.
One pack or face pack also if you.
But I don't want 1 pack. I want 6 packs. So how can I?
You finish one pack, you will automatically get 6 packs.
Anish, if you want
Okay.
face pack, I can give you face pack, hair mask. If you want,
Oh, hair.
face wash.
okay.
3 options we have. Black Lotus
But,
is only one
you know,
option.
usually you have like advertise ad break, yeah, in the videos, and now there is like 10-minute long segment of ad break. Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, and
Good
if,
stuff,
if you if you want chess base, I can send you chess base.
Really? It's
Sagar
fun.
desperate to
Sagar,
promote
today
business.
Sagar, actually, I on my channel, to which all of you have to subscribe, I did a video on Paul Morphy.
Yeah.
Actually, I did that in the chess-based software that all of you have to buy. So
Thank you. Anish. Yeah, but guys, I
skip
think
ad,
it
they
was,
say.
it was a very, very intense day today. And almost 5 hours long stream.
Really?
Yeah, it turned
Oh
5
my god,
hours.
when did we start? I joined at 11:30.
Amruta zoned
9:30.
out so many times that for her 5 hours felt like one.
That might be true, yeah. When
But,
he's there, I don't have to talk much many times.
Yeah,
But,
no, we enjoyed so much with it. We really enjoyed. I think it was so exciting. First
Thank you,
match
Sagar
was
bhai, for streaming
First
this.
match was all about chess, and we were saying chess. Then Samay joined in, then Eddie joined in. Then we all had a lot of
गजब
fun.
बेइज्जती है भाई, गजब बेइज्जती है भाई.
नहीं, फिर हमने
Come
मजा
on,
किया.
man.
You
Come
know
on,
what
man.
was the
Sagar
highlight?
sir.
With it. What was the highlight was when Samay is doing chess commentary. Yeah, when he starts to do this and bishop d4 and then he goes knight f6 and e4 and then e5. That's the highlight.
No, but I
That's the
know
best.
that now Samay genuinely loves chess a lot.
I
like,
do love
a
chess
lot.
too.
Yeah, a lot.
The same
yeah.
way you genuinely love Black Lotus, or really?
No, yeah, I mean equally. That's
Equally, okay.
Equally.
Oh, good stuff, good stuff.
But yeah,
And BD, you got my wish, yeah? Birthday wish.
Yes. Thank
Yeah.
you, AD.
Okay.
Yes, auntie, uncle also. wish.
Vidit, suggest the best pack in Black Lotus app, please. Somebody says seriously.
Oh,
So,
I like the Experience Zen one.
Peace pack,
It's very
peace
chill.
seriously,
It's a
experience
very
Zen.
chill type of
guys,
meditation.
best pack is actually Mama Earth face pack. You can get it for 300 rupees only.
Acha. From where? Samay?
From where?
From mamaearth.in. You can also get it at Flipkart and Amazon.
French. Eiffel Tower. Get Anish Giri's French course. Adiban, anything you want to promote?
Yeah, I don't know. I'll promote
You
this.
just
Adiban, Indian Oil.
Yes, maybe this hat. Guys, this hat is not for sale.
Usually it's your Instagram, no? Oh, but wait, do you have Instagram still?
Yeah, no, I just deleted the app. Yeah.
No,
I'm
Adiban is
Ah.
promoting himself. No, he wants to get married.
yeah.
Best promotion for
Any
it.
girls who are very good in OBS, yeah, they
Yeah.
have to
No,
write.
no,
to-
guys.
They can
OBS
write to.
OBS
Adiban
is not the
Single Lady or
criteria.
which is within.
But Samay, one question to you, like Vidit has to promote Black Lotus because that is the only thing can promote. Anish has made only one course. He can promote only that. But why you are promoting only Mama Earth? You can promote so many others. So many other people will get upset.
Because I like Mama Earth, man. I think I like Mama Earth for the next 6 months, and I love Mama Earth. It's
For the
best.
next 6 months.
Mama Earth is the best, guys. Don't talk about anything else for 6 months. And,
Can you
yes.
show it? Can you put it and
He's
show?
exclusively he's exclusively loving Mama Earth for the next 6 months, I think.
Mama is the best, guys.
6
Trust me.
months. 6 months.
And you know,
How does it
yeah.
open? I have to see it.
Hey, VD, I did some Google Pay payment and like I got some discount for like 300 rupees off for Mama Earth.
Oh, really? You also bought it?
Yeah, I also got.
Really putting. So today on birthday, Samay plans to have a glowing skin because he has a very beautiful date. He got a call at 12 p.m.
Sagar,
exactly.
Let's do comment.
So-
on
Oh, Samay, I mean,
and
how
Samay
much
applies
for
it
this?
on his cheek.
Oh my
Now
god.
he's going
Oh my
towards his
God.
chin and the forehead,
That's
and
it,
he's
guys.
using
Thank
his
you.
right fingers, the only 3 fingers. Look at his last finger not
That's
touching
it.
his face, and he's put it all in.
No more
Sagar
pimples,
bhai
guys.
doing?
How
Tomorrow,
does it stay? How long does it
What
stay
is
now?
Sagar bhai doing?
It will stay. It will stay for another
Samay
5-10
keeps
minutes.
on commentating, you know, he's in the mood. He wants more action.
So yes, guys, I have proved.
Whatever makes me better commentator, I can do it. Yes, Samay, and how are
Samay,
you
be
doing?
careful because with green screen and this green mask, you might chroma key might take you, you know,
Oh, that
with the
would be
background.
interesting. That would be interesting.
Try chroma key, you know, only eyes will be
Yeah.
left from Samay.
Okay, I'm taking a screenshot of this.
By the way, Samay,
Hey,
did
come
you
on,
cut the cake yet?
Yeah. We made a cake at home, and yeah.
Hey, by the
Nice,
way, PD,
nice.
yeah, like Samay had to leave not once but twice. So something suspicious, yeah, like in between. Like why 2 times, yeah? One time we can understand, yeah. Why something suspicious?
No, second time I called.
Thank you, Vidit. Hey, Adivar.
Save the relationship there. Save the relationship there. Yeah.
And when is the party, Vidit?
You should give no party. It's your birthday.
But we should, guys, again, giving you one more surprise. Apart from Sagar Shah, even Vidit Gujarati will be coming into Pune in December for performing the stand-up set.
You announced.
I announced. Now it's official. So Vidit Gujarati and Sagar
Wait, guys,
Shah
are you for real?
has taught me chess, and now we are trying to get them to do stand-up comedy for the first time ever, guys. Check it out.
Okay, wait, are you serious or not?
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Oh,
my
I'm
question.
so jealous,
because-
man. Oh wow.
Anish, can you write for me?
Okay,
You're-
Samay,
you have
I will
better
write.
English.
I will
Samay,
write for you the.
Can
the-
you send
yes.
a flight ticket to Anish from Amsterdam to
No.
Mumbai
It's
back?
it's dangerous. It's
If
dangerous. I have
Anish
to-
Giri decides to ever use Mamaearth, I will send direct flight to come and to go back and stay also.
Private plane, yeah? With Mama Earth written on the plane.
Let's not exaggerate, yeah.
Wow.
But
This is
Anish,
so cool,
Anish
guys.
doing stand-up would be very good, I think.
Yeah,
as
Anish
well.
is damn funny.
Yeah, on good days.
But it's
But
like
how is it in India? Can you okay? Very seriously, yeah. At least I have good days, yeah. Unlike some others members of this panel. I mean,
Oh,
no, but how is it in India now? Can you travel and stuff or?
yeah, you can. I mean, the shows are happening at 50% occupancy.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
if you take some distance and all, there with measures, there is
Yeah.
traveling and all. Okay.
At least now we have the excuse that the hall was not full because of COVID. And this we have excuse now.
And now Vidit has excuse to come to Pune more often.
Finally,
And
to
this
upgrade.
is
To meet Samay.
Kolkata. Do you know if this Kolkata chess event, if it's going to take place or?
No, I don't think this year.
Guys,
Okay, we share-
the face pack has dried within 2 minutes. That's the best part. And now I'll go wash it.
फोकस देखो इतना फोकस अगर मेरा रहता तो आज मैं बिलियनर रहता
डर जाएंगे, भूत लगाया लगेगा उनको, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
फोकस यार फोकस मतलब
No, but in a way, all of us are so great at promotions, yeah. Like I have
But
not written a book. I have been promoting it from April. Like Anish French course, like VD Black Lotus. Yeah, it's just amazing, yeah, all of us. And look at this Joker.
No, but I have to say this mama hair thing. I mean, that's really amazing, surprising me. Yeah, I mean, where does that come from?
what mama है
Yeah, it's like with Samay, you know, he's a comedian. Yeah, so also all kinds of products come to mind. Yeah, he's a streamer, maybe a laptop or I don't know, some kind of
no he's
like how mama hair.
now
how is it?
everyone contacts him because he is
Oh, just everything. Yeah.
VD,
yeah everything
VD, have you revealed some GF reveal or what?
No.
No, GF
No.
will go viral. AD, come on.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
my
okay.
ultimate 1
No,
million
no.
views.
Yeah. 1
content.
million, no, yaar, Vidit.
I mean,
come
I
on.
cannot-
Million, yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
100.
that's, I
VD,
mean,
VD.
I'm building it up
Really,
so
really.
much that at 1 million, I mean, I hope that it'll reach 1
Yeah,
million.
people will die, yeah, before they figure out VD.
No, Vinny doesn't have a girlfriend, but he hopes that by 1 million, he will finally someone will feel convinced. Someone he'll be like, okay, look,
No,
now I have
no.
one. No,
No,
he
no.
has. Look, he does both. He tells the girl,
Thank you,
he says, the girl,
Aranya.
will you be my girlfriend? The girl says, no, of course not. And he says, if I have 1 million subscribers, will you be my girlfriend? She says, yeah.
Samay, you
If you have
look
1 million subscribers.
अरे ये देखो समय
You look pink.
look at Samay he's looking so good
Yeah,
my
that's
God, what happened?
that's
Hey, you look
glowing,
instantly
man.
you become pretty.
But
are
you look
glowing.
pink.
no
You-
what is this
no, he's
glowing.
your head
Yeah, he's.
what is this all red on your cheek
No, it's effect. It's an effect.
No,
it's
that's the
added,
effect
it's a
you have
fake.
by using Mamaearth.
Who are you fooling, man?
Yes, come on.
Got you,
Yeah, but,
got you.
But Samay, I don't think people want this leaf. Yeah, now that's better.
This
better?
is good. This is good.
Yeah, that's it.
Anish, by the way, if you had to write a stand-up, what would be the topic? Because it's
Agnes
very hard.
Carlson.
So
You know, when I did a stand-up in my school, yeah, so that topic was actually about, I was roasting my own school. It was really good.
And they suspended
but-
him?
No, they enjoyed it. But yeah, at some point, well, let's say we are not anymore in touch with my school. Let's put it this way.
I think you would become a great roaster.
Yeah. That's true. I think he can easily become a good roaster.
You should try stand up, man.
I think one of the most unique thing about Anish is how many different nations he's
Oh,
traveled to live.
By the way, he can also do accents, right? Like
Yeah,
if he
yeah.
runs out of content, he can just do accents and it will be
Why we
funny.
run out of content?
That's true. That's
Today
true.
BD wants to roast us.
There is one super chat.
On a
Anish,
bad day, Vidi, on a bad day, I can do accents. Yeah, on a bad day.
Anish,
Yeah.
someone Pratim Roy has said, "Is it going to be online the stand-up?" So please.
Yes, I am recording the entire journey. I will be doing it.
Anish,
Right from booking the flight tickets to receiving them from the airport.
अच्छा.
Unless Nashik mein hai airport?
Hi.
There is an airport, yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
arrival
it's
gates
not
are
working
proper.
right now. Airport hai.
हाँ,
Lights are not working.
But I think Nashik airport flights are never working. Yeah.
So when they built the airport in Nasik, and then the flight started after 5 years. So it took a long time.
But they gave you hope always.
And then Jet Airways got bankrupt. So again 1 year we will just
because they were flying through Nashik, they got bankrupt. Yeah.
Oh God.
justice for
That
Jet
is funny.
Airways.
That is funny.
जस्टिन
Yeah.
जॉर्ज कह रहे हैं थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइस यार जेन्युइनली बहुत मजा आया ब्यूटीफुल चेस वीडी फैन बन गया हूं मैं
Oh, thank you. Thank you. What was his name?
जस्टिन जॉर्ज
Thank you, Justin.
have Anish do stand up live through a Zoom call in the show. Kumar
Oh,
Ankush ji के
by the way,
Ankush जी के
By the way, okay, go on.
क्या कह
sorry.
रहे थे?
बोलो
No, when I had joined in between the game,
But नहीं.
in the chat it was going on Malika Sherawat wish Samay. Is it true? Or is it a joke?
all jokes
The
all.
question is
It was a
good.
joke, yeah? Oh,
No,
okay.
no one actually wish समय today on his समय किसने wish किया आपको आज मतलब
No,
ऐसे
the thing was, I was
समय
very-
अटक गए
क्या मस्त अटक गया है वो ऐसा
froze,
मतलब
no? Samay
पूरा
froze,
काम.
guys.
he froze in a way where
But
he's
look,
like
look, he looks like a saint. He's
Yeah,
smiling
exactly.
and like he's already ascending. The
After
ascension of Samay. Witnessing here.
Samay froze. Samay froze.
okay guys I think Anish it's also time for you to sleep in your place yeah or today it's now
No, it's 4 hours.
now
difference.
4.5 hours no difference
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's 1.5 hours. It's true. It's even
Yeah.
more
Hey,
now.
Sagar, we are the ones who are supposed to speak.
Yeah.
sorry
Oh,
We are the ones who are supposed to speak.
yeah AD is like well past his sleep time thanks
Yeah.
AD man coming for coming
Yeah,
Thanks,
and,
AD.
VD just yawned, yeah, to consume that.
Yeah, no, I mean, like, even when I was playing, after I was like, okay, so tired.
Yeah,
I
it might
think-
be very tiring.
No, Sagar bhai, you should do something. You should
About?
have Indian tournaments with Indian times, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
because these time zones, it goes until 3
Yeah.
a.m. and all this. So if you organize, it would be amazing
Hey,
in
Sagar,
Indian times.
Sagar Shah invitation.
And this way, Anish can also play because for Europe also it's possible.
yeah
Sagar Shah invitation.
but
It
why
would
do they
definitely
keep
be a good idea.
they mainly consider US times yeah
Yeah, US time. It was like
Yeah, of course,
yeah,
of course.
Yeah,
And or the CET, no? This one.
yeah.
No,
CET,
US is the problem.
yeah.
CT, they still
Yeah.
think
I think
about
Europe
it.
is ideally placed when it comes to time zones.
Yeah.
Like they can manage
In the
everything.
middle,
Yeah. But Sagar bhai, please organize something.
sure
It would be
Yeah.
amazing.
sure bhai.
Yeah, this.
definitely
In general, I'm saying, yeah.
yes no I agree we are thinking about something but yeah great fun guys thanks
Yes.
oh
Wow.
he's come here 1 second
Samay has
Who?
come.
I think so
Ameya says, great game with it. You are the best. We Nashikars love you and a very happy birthday, Samay bhai. Thank you for everything. Love you guys.
Thank you, Amaya. Nashik OP.
Yeah, I think we've missed some, but
I'll read
there's
it
a lot of-
after they go or should I read it?
Samay bhai aa gaye.
हाँ मैं इधर हूँ. अरे मेरा after the Mallika Sherawat thing my laptop crashed.
It was, अरे मैं देखा, मैं tournament में after my games I had like a few minutes time. ठीक है, I फट से I opened Google, YouTube, went to I saw 16,000 people watching. Oh, then I saw the chat. It was Mallika Sherawat wish Samay, Mallika Sherawat wish Samay. I was like, I played.
इतना अच्छा मूवी है.
Birit, you wanted to read, oh, such beautiful exchange sacrifice. Oh, he trapped the bishop so nice, and Kerry's there,
No, but I wouldn't mind if she wished Samay. So I thought it was really true.
Yeah.
If you can
You know,
remind
you
her.
share the
with
birthday
it.
with her.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Congrats with it.
Congrats.
But after 2 a.m. the conversation has no
कोई सर पैर नहीं है.
It's just
No
going
point.
anywhere.
Sean
Any
Kolako
Vidit.
says, great job, guys. Love from Goa. Yashwant Ayagri says, please don't end Anish. TYFUS.
Some Dutch swear words are there.
Ah,
You know, they made Sagar Shah swear in Telugu.
Sagar bhai is getting
Arre,
spoiled day
Sagar.
by day.
No, Vidit, I read some comment about your stand-up, so that they say that you're gonna do great. And I remember that you did, of course, this TED talk. No, you did
Yes,
on
yes.
writing on balcony. When I was watching it, I laughed so hard. I think if you just do the TED talk as stand-up comedy, it will also work.
The roast revenge.
No, but it was very good. Honestly, it was very good TED talk. At some point, Vidit is saying, it's not about what you tell to yourself. It's about what you whisper when no one can listen. And
that was a nice one.
That was not
And
what
then
I said.
he said, I was writing on my balcony that I will be a champion, and then I became a champion. I was like, Vidit, which balcony? What are you talking about? You don't have a balcony.
Yeah, even I heard that.
You know
You
this.
should write on the wall of the balcony.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I know Vidit. Yeah, I mean, Vidit is. I know Vidit, and this whatever he did, this talk. I mean, this is not Vidit. Yeah, this is just some. Meta
But he used
level.
to always use the wrong things for wrong reasons. He used to write on the balcony. He used to sleep with a towel.
Yeah, I didn't get the basics right.
Samay is unhappy
But
with
Anish,
his birthday.
were you invited to do ever a
What?
TED talk, or you're just walking in Paris?
Oh, burn!
Tutu.
No, Vidit, I only do paid appearances. Yeah, I don't do free appearances. So.
Oh, so people have to pay you. Okay, got it.
Are you
Okay.
okay?
Welcome to stand-up comedy, guys. Some jokes don't work.
Which was the joke? There was no joke. I was going to crack, but then I thought it's not funny in my mind, and then I stopped it.
But Samay, are you when you do your stand-up stuff, you also improvise a little bit, or
Yeah.
you do, yeah?
You speak to the crowd also, and you find new lines. You don't just play against the same lines, like in chess. It's the same, similar to chess, right? We had a discussion on Twitter.
Yeah. No, but you do, yeah. You personally, I mean,
Yeah.
in your sets, you used to improvise also, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot, yeah.
You talk,
No, but
you ask somebody, where do you get the shirt from? And then they say something, and then you try to, make a joke on that and stuff like that.
No, but Samay, like after you improvise, you still go back to what you.
Yeah, you still segue into the
Okay,
thing.
okay.
Alright, Sagar bhai, we can finally see you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to see someone stand up. I mean,
Samay's one stand-up got wasted because he turned 23 today. Because the stand-up was on, he was 22.
I'll just change the number in there.
Acha.
which is the stand up which I don't know about?
I have shown you all 3 sets, no? Have
No,
I?
you have shown only 2.
2 sets. I'll show you one more today.
अरे भेज दो. I'll watch it.
Done.
अरे ये टूट ही गया.
क्या और क्या तोड़ दिया अभी?
Tripod.
ब्यूटी क्या?
अरे
क्या करना है फिर?
Among Us.
हाई पॉइंट ढूंढ रहे हो क्या?
Anish
Sagar
has
bhai
played
क्या
Among
है?
Us. Anish played Among Us, right?
And I
Anish
don't
played
think
Among
it's
Us. No, he told them what to prepare. Karyakin.
Yeah, real life Among Us. Yes, I was the imposter today.
Uh-huh.
But no, I never played. No, I'm confused, because I've told myself that I will never do any game other than chess. But okay, it depends on
Man.
how you define it. Yeah.
Oh, somewhere you also failed in making Anish play Fall Guys, no?
Yeah.
You had taken up the challenge.
No, he wanted to play Fall Guys with me. But then Magnus Carlsen replied and he forgot. True story.
By some enough, I feel it's true.
Yeah,
No,
it's
it's,
true.
it's a true story. No, he
It's
was
a-
writing me, let's play Fall Guys. I said, sure. Next day, I see, guys, great announcement on stream. Yeah, great announcement. Magnus Carlsen has agreed to come. And I was like, okay. Samay? Hello, Samay? Samay?
Hey, come on, man. But on
Hello?
30th, Anish,
Hello? Oh, hang up.
Anish, on 30th, will you play Among Us with us?
Yeah, I have to
You'll
decide,
get
I have to decide.
Hikaru is coming, so you
Oh
can get a
my
lot of
God.
subscribers.
You got it.
How many?
See, that's how you get him to come.
How many? How many exactly do I get for this?
3,000.
Yeah.
No,
No,
3,000
3,000 I can
less.
also just stream, yeah, for a week.
Let's say more than if you stream alone.
We will all raid you.
Guys, please raid Anish
Girish.
Giri's channel right now. He must reach what, 70k? You are.
No, he's
I'm
75.
already at 70k. Don't
Right,
make
already.
Girish 70k, guys. I'm already there.
You reach 75k, guys.
No, but it's fine. It's fine.
Let's
It's fine. I'm going to do my streaming.
You know, one day I asked Anish Giri to play Fall Guys, and he's like, "I don't. That's a B grade game." You remember that day?
Which one? Big?
You told me chess is an A grade game, and these are all B grade games. He has these grades in his head.
No.
Samay,
it's
I
not
think
true.
he's going to lose
Not
some
true.
subscribers after.
No, some elitism there is not me. I would never say such thing. No.
Yeah.
No. No, but Fall Guys, I never. This at least I understand. Were you guys happy? Somebody killed somebody, and you are all happy. But this Fall Guys, I didn't understand what was the point. Why
Yeah,
everybody
you
was
were
so
right
happy.
about Fall Guys. Fall Guys is like now, it's gone. I don't
It's
play.
gone,
it.
no?
yeah.
It's gone, no? It's
Oh,
out
it's-
of trend, right?
Yeah, but it was never. There was never reason for it to be in trend. It was just very strange. But Among Us, at least I understand. You are all, there's some.
Okay,
fun
let's play one game Among Us and then go to sleep.
I'm in.
Yeah, let's play one game Among Us. Okay, and then we'll all go to sleep. Okay.
I'm in. See, Vidit has played such beautiful tournament. I think this is what I'm in.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Sagar, Amrita, Anish.
Okay, for how? Like, do you need to download something?
People will wake up from their sleep to watch Sagar and Anish play Among Us. Like,
भाई मेरा तो
People will wake up from the dead. Yeah, like they
Yeah.
go to the graveyard and awaken the dead. Simply when we tell
If
them
Sagar
that-
plays
Sagar
Among Us,
plays
he will
Among
not be among any of us. That I can tell.
No, for sure.
look
We
at
don't-
Sagar's expression.
Hi,
He's
man.
yeah.
He's already dead. He is dead. He is
This is
dead.
the closest I've seen Sagar by to crying.
Yeah, agree. I agree.
I'm very
And then
tired.
Amruta is there whispering,
I did-
Sagar, if
I
you
did-
play Among
I-
Us, I will divorce you. And he's like,
No. That is his own thing. Among
No, I
Us.
I did
put
3
him to
hours
play
of
once
stream
if he wants to.
in the afternoon, like Asian, and then now 5 hours of stream. So very tired. समय
And then-
क्या ask क्यों रहे हो?
बढ़िया रीजन दिया भाई. ये वही वाला रीजन है ना.
बर्थडे
ये ऐसे गंदा शर्ट पहना तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकते.
समय का बर्थडे के
pressure.
लिए tomorrow I'm sending gifts to him from Chessbase India.
देख
but-
अभी सडनली सागर ऐसे कर रहा है. सडनली ऐसे.
भाई पेट में वो क्या रहता है? See, I'm no longer young like 23, 26, 26,
20s.
28. I'm 30. So I have to take care of my health, no?
Yeah, hey,
says Sagar Shah
Abhi-
to go off and now edit 5 different videos until 5 a.m. My health means
Doctor
Chessbase
Chess.
India content.
सागर,
Chess content.
will you play hand and brain?
No, right now we're very tired.
बच गया भाई. बच गया.
He will fall off to bed like in 10 seconds once he goes to bed. That's all.
You will only play Among Us with Amruta now. Private Among Us.
Oh God, Anish.
Sagar is kind of
No,
suspicious.
10
He's kind of
seconds.
suspicious. Sagar is
10
kind of suspicious, guys. He's kind of
He's
suspicious.
spoiled
guys.
guys at 3 a.m. He's spoiled.
Arey, where have you reached, Samay? Himalayas.
that
Goa
day,
ke badle.
Sagar, Samay froze before he wanted to say some dirty joke. He froze. It's karma for you. That's karma for you.
समय एकदम ऐसा right time या wrong time पता नहीं, but I think you must read the last few super
Suman
chats.
says, I will send my property papers in super chat if you play Among
Oh
Us.
बाप रे.
Virat Singh says, this is never a one game. Sneh Juyal says, great game, loved it. Best wishes, VD. Thank you, Sagar ji, for such a great
Thank you,
stream.
Sneha.
Kannu Killer says it's nearly 3 a.m. and you guys are here. Thanks for this. Want to meet you all. That's why I created a channel and trying to work hard. Gonna meet you. Arey Kannu Killer.
All the best.
All the best. Pritesh Chaudhary, happy birthday, Samay. And guys, please play one game of Among Us. Karthik Sawant, VD is like Messi of chess. Big inspiration for everyone in India. Big fan, sir. Pratik
Messi of
Kumar
chess.
Mall says Anish is killing it. Full roast mode on. Would love to see him attempt stand up. Love you with it. Well fought. Amazing how you are so positive always. Inspiration OP.
Thank
Manan
you.
Sheth says Sagar Samay Bhai, please check Dhruvik Chess on Insta. Samay Bhai, happy birthday. Sachin Ranade, AD has his bed ready, just needs to jump back.
AD will just, at some point, the chair will just wait over there and he'll just drop, together with the chair on that
Yeah,
bed.
just one
Just
jump.
sit with-
Sean Kolako says, great job, guys. Love from Goa. Yashwant Ayag
this you read.
decided.
A little
Pratik Das, now I believe this whole SCC qualifying was just an ad to get another ad. AG, give cam to Nihal. Akshay Bhendi. AG, you have to give some cam, yeah, to Nihal.
Yeah, no, I mean, I wrote to Srinath long time ago. He said that, no, it's no problem. We have Akshay Kalpa and all that. So,
Akshay Kalpa.
he said it's fine. We can afford a million different webcams. But he said that some shipping issues in India, something, it's slow, all that. But
Samay
himself,
bhai,
he has a good camera, yeah? Himself, Srinath. It's just that Nihal has issues. I don't know.
Samay bhai, great purchase of the laptop. Good choice. Good choice. I was saying, buy this laptop. No, I'll buy this. More expensive.
Lens 0v0 here is working like
I will
like a
promote
beast.
Biswa, yeah. By Asus. R14 ROG. क्या था वो?
Devin Anand
It is
says,
Zephyrus,
for the Among
Zephyrus.
Us, we may not deserve, but what we need.
Call Srinath for Among Us. Nikaro
Yeah.
Hakamura. Who's this Nikaro Hakamura, man? I've seen him everywhere.
He's acting all the time, yeah.
Nikaru Akam.
Devashish Sharma says, VD semi-solid mat kha, neend aayegi. Just take fluids only, like juice or natural drink. No soda or Red Bull either.
Huh, what were
Sorry,
you
guys.
drinking,
Sorry.
Pidi? Yeah.
I was drinking pomegranate juice.
Oh, pomegranate juice, sure.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so is it real that you have Frederick Friedel in the chat? Is real Frederick?
Really?
With,
Is he mod?
he's a mod, yeah.
Yes, he's real.
Really? He's watching the stream?
I didn't. Yes, he watches these days. He's coming regularly on Chessbase India.
I
And he
did.
He's
watches.
going full retirement mode, yeah? Frederick, wow.
No.
Never
No, Frederick.
code.
Frederick works
Impossible.
like he many times watches streams and then he converts into articles and he writes them and he's working even
Yeah.
at the age of 75.
Wow.
What? He's
I think
75?
it's a tradition that whoever works with Chessbase has to work 24/7.
No, but that's how they hire. Yeah,
Yeah, I think that's how they hire.
Frederick,
Yeah.
Frederick was looking.
Frederick.
So, I have to find the man who works like me 24/7 on Chessbase. He's like, I have found you, Sagar. Now you shall make the Chessbase empire prosper. I thought this guy Andrew Schultz was going to be the one, but you are working much harder, so you're going to be the one.
Hey, how do you know Andrew Schultz?
Andrew Schultz? Okay, come on. He's great. Chessbase also. He's working in Chessbase. Yeah, I mean,
Andrew Schultz?
Andrew Schultz, actually. Andrew Schultz.
Ah,
Samay thought some stand-up
Somebody thought
comedian.
some
Yeah.
guitarist,
Stand-up
some
comedian.
bass
Andrew Schultz.
player, some.
No, actually, great guy. Also works in Chessbase and co-owner of Chessbase, I think. Yeah, or something like this, or CEO, whatever. But yeah.
सागर दादा आपल्या मध्ये खेळणं
अच्छा,
Among Us.
Guys, look. Even if we
start Among
so
Us
many,
already,
so many
don't let
super
the
chats,
topic
so
change.
many super chats for Among Us that
Yeah.
you should, even if you want to play for 10 minutes, just receive super chats and say thank you, and then start to play.
donating my lunch money to say
Yeah.
please play Among Us.
Sagar bhai, people are like starving.
Starving for hungry for content. Hungry for
लवलीन आचार्य जी न्यूजीलैंड में हो. How can you be? Please don't donate. Sumit Joshi, thank you. Krishna Birla, start Among Us already with it. Don't. Oh, अच्छा इन्होंने बोला.
Oh, आपके
सिद्धार्थ
समय
अग्रवाल।
आपके लिए भी एक बॉट बनाया है जैसे तन्मय के लिए बनाया था which
बनाया?
automatically likes all your videos.
हैं?
Yeah, Jaideep Dholakia.
क्या
He's
रहता
a
है
guy.
वो?
He made a bot for Tanmay. He's
Can you
biggest
make
fan
like
of
1
Tanmay.
million of those bots?
No, that one bot will like all your videos
अरे
And
वाह.
then what happens?
automatically.
तो
It
क्या
will
हुआ?
promote, no, and everybody can use that bot to like Samay's videos, for example.
How to do it?
Oh, Samay,
Yes, sir,
how
he
to do
wrote a
it?
code.
Samay, how to do it?
Samay-
Samay using 100 such bots, and he's like, oh, how to do it? Such exists? Oh, really? Oh, really? I never heard. Oh,
समय
how do you think I have 300,000
YouTube चैनल
subscribers
थोड़ा
so fast?
स्लो डाउन हो गया ये बॉट दे दो सब 500k जाना
Both
है।
army. Both army.
But I think in between the police caught, there was a big complaint and there was this big thing in India for few streamers. They had
अच्छा,
this, yeah.
Oh,
They
it's
were in
illegal.
jail. They
But
were in
समय
jail.
It's illegal.
time
No,
Of course it's illegal,
I
come
don't
on.
know, but if you have many, everything is very.
it is like bot अभी कल एक बॉट बनाएगा 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स
We don't know if it is allowed or not. But Frederick says really great stand-up abilities, Anish.
Yeah, thank you, Frederick. Frederick has been roasting me since I'm 8 years old or something. Yeah, I mean, it's just go way back.
देखो भाई सागर भाई इतना देर जग गए आप.
हाँ मैं जग गया बट मुझे अमोंग अस खेलने के लिए डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा वगैरह एंड देन फाइनली
हमने भाई किया ना भाई चेस बेस इंडिया डाउनलोड.
हाँ आपने किया
प्ले चेस डाउनलोड किया ना हमने.
चल मेरे साथ कभी खेला है प्लेचेस पे? एक
खेला है
बार
ना उस
खेला
दिन.
है birthday पे.
Sagar bhai,
See?
are you going to play Among Us?
नहीं आई वांट टू
ठीक है भाई.
What will
Sagar
make
bhai.
you play Among Us?
I don't know like I'm not against
How
Among
much?
Us.
How much सागर भाई?
How much?
How much? How much? Sagar bhai, how much?
Give me your Mama Earth money. Including
No,
what they will pay you for today's stream.
थोड़ा लेट हो गया यार. अमंग अस का भी और खेलते ना. Let's play. Let's play
ઓ
some other
સાગર
day.
ભાઈ રમો રમો હું પણ જાગું છું કેનેડામાં.
अरे निखिल
ઓ
By the way, there is a super chat. AD blink if you're not asleep.
IG is already sleeping with the face all like.
AD is
You know-
like scanning. Oh, like he did an advertisement right for his marriage. Now he has got Instagram DMs. He's just going through.
Hey, no, I'll just show what I was doing. Yeah.
No, in Bhankas says by any chance my kid becomes a GM, I'll owe it to you, birthday boy Samay. Bhankas.
Yes.
Bhankas means crap.
Okay, guys.
Mankas means what?
Crap. You don't know Bhankas? क्या Bhankas कर रहा है?
नहीं. What language?
बंगाली
है ना?
actually maybe.
मराठी में
हिंदी भी है.
शी होता है ना. क्रैप.
नहीं she is a lot of
I think 3 बजे के लिए ये बहुत हो गया.
Hey, look at Adiban's
अरे
background.
What was that? What was
Yeah,
that?
no, I was.
put
No, I'll put. Yeah. No, I just found one thing where I have the same shirt, and I thought I'll leave it like this, and I will go.
Oh, nice. Ah, yeah.
This is the only. shirt I could
You
find.
thought to crop yourself and put yourself on the chair, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
like this. Yeah, like this. I thought I'll leave. Yeah.
Oh.
okay
Same
guys.
shirt.
ठीक है
Okay.
फिर सागर भाई before he falls down let's end the
Yeah.
stream then.
Yeah,
let's
okay.
let's end
As
the
soon
stream.
as soon as the Mama Hair money was in danger, immediately okay. So let's spoil the stream and yeah.
But
मतलब
happy birthday
basically-
Samay.
समय आज बर्थडे का कुछ मतलब प्लान्स है कुछ सेलिब्रेट कैसे करोगे या एनीथिंग
यही था.
यही ना इसके मतलब आगे अभी तो 3 ही घंटे हुए देयर इज स्टिल 21 आवर्स लेफ्ट
Now I'll sleep. I'll have to do some work. I'll finish that. I'll sleep and then I'll wake up tomorrow.
What is it? Birthday celebration. I'll work, then I'll sleep, then I'll wake up tomorrow. Celebration. We have to come to Hyderabad.
Yeah,
To-
please. We'll chill in Pune. For when you come to Pune, we'll spend a
व्हेन
week
विल
over
यू
there.
शिफ्ट टू पुणे एग्जैक्टली लाइक यू हैव अ डेट
1st December,
अच्छा फिक्स हो गया डेट
World AIDS Day.
व्हाट वर्ल्ड
World AIDS Day, no? 1st December,
अच्छा
I don't know.
I think.
so he's shifting first okay nice with it let's plan Pune
Yeah. We'll go to. We'll एक पहला vlog बनाएंगे. When we
Done.
meet,
देख रहे हो भाई, चेस प्लेयर टर्न इन्फ्लुएंसर। ऐसा नहीं कि पहले आके चेस
भाई
खेलेंगे वहां पे
मेमोरी यार, मेमोरी के लिए
भाई।
बनाएंगे।
विदित गर्लफ्रेंड विल से मेरे को मिलना है तो कभी व्लॉग नहीं बनाया, अभी व्लॉग बना रहा है।
विदित की गर्लफ्रेंड बोला तो एकदम चुप।
अरे विदित बोला क्या बोलूं।
अब सागर भाई अमंग अस खेलते हैं, सागर भाई।
एंडिंग में
But we have planned with it. There's a cool place called Null Stop which opens at 3 a.m. in Pune. We will invite every chess player there on some date in December and we'll play chess. Simul दे तू ऐसा रोड पे।
करते कुछ मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा, कुछ तो कुछ करेंगे।
All right. चल अनिश भाई, see you.
Good night everyone.
Good night, everybody.
Good night AD.
AD,
Anish.
bye.
Thank you Sagar bhai
Yeah.
for streaming.
Yeah,
thank you
we
for
have
you
Nikaru
playing so well.
Hakamura sending my child support money for Among Us. Then we
Child
have
support.
somebody Manoj sending our office transport money. So before everybody finishes their money, we should say
Guys,
bye-bye.
I will play it, Among Us at
Yeah,
some
bye.
point, but not at 3 a.m. It's like
Yeah.
at this point it just affects the
Maybe 30th, yeah, 30th.
You can just say you won't play Among Us, no? Or you can say that you will play Among Us when Anish Giri stops uploading creepy selfies.
creepy.
Means same
Yeah,
thing.
Anish Giri's selfies always I have to see that. Is it a new one? No, I don't know. It's a real
Alberta,
upload,
the
just a
difference
edit.
is you have to see the heart. If the heart is already red, it's not new. If it's not red, you click the heart and that's it.
Okay.
Just click the heart.
I want to ask him this.
Just make sure all my selfies are having a red heart in there. Just click and that's
ये
the
देखो
point.
भाई।
Yeah, this has it posted
They
a
look
few
much
days
worse
back.
on camera. They're not photogenic. On the real phone, it looks better. You can check
Look
it
at
out,
this.
guys.
This
I
is
like
the
it.
this is the
Just.
creepiest.
Anish, what is the idea of uploading this selfie? Wow. Is it to keep people engaged?
Take a selfie.
It is the same pose. I'll show you same pose in 5 photos. I'll show you. Okay, number 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Now wait.
I never looked
Same
at it
pose.
this
Same
way.
pose.
No, but they are like
Wait.
20 in
The
a row.
angle is also same. The clothes
Same
are
pose.
different.
Same pose.
Oh, but it's remarkable. It's really remarkable.
Yeah,
you know,
and
now I
does
look
Sophie
at the
go tell you
selfies in this way.
anything? Like, does she
Looks
advise you?
creepy.
Does she tell you?
When you look at one
No,
selfie,
it's all my great,
every Anish, when I look at one selfie, I'm like, oh, what a cool guy. But when you look at it back to back, like say 10 selfies in 1 minute, you're like, what?
No, you know exactly,
Anish is
Sagar. I was
doing-
thinking the same thing. Oh, there's such a nice selfie.
Yeah.
But now looking at it, I am laughing so much.
Yeah, it just feels like a mock-up completely, and he's changing the clothes like that.
No, here
know-
the
What is the expression, bro? At least make an expression.
Okay, I mean, I'm not putting my. First of all, I don't twerk on my Instagram. Secondly, I don't put my naked baby videos. So at least I have to put something. What can I put if I don't twerk or don't put naked baby videos? Okay, I have to put something.
But you know
Oh,
what
man.
Anish is doing on his Instagram is same what he does on his YouTube, just recycling content.
Oof.
Hey, really?
no, but the YouTube.
Says the boy who every couple weeks, especially when he thinks I don't check YouTube anymore, uploads a video roasting Anish Giri. Every time he made one successful joke in a row, he turns it around, and edits it around as if makes everybody
With
laugh.
a nice thumbnail. With a nice thumbnail.
Nice, yeah, the thumbnail, like roasting, roasting.
Come back, Eddie. That's
This is
what
editor,
it's like.
editor. So editor, I think I made today one joke about AG. I think it's pretty good. I think it's worthy of making edit. So can you fill up the video with 10 minutes and there is one good joke and make some nice thumbnail? I'm roasting AG now. Now I'm really roasting. Editor is like, no, but I don't know. It's really hard. I mean, there's nothing. There's only one joke. I don't think it's so funny. No. People will like it. AG name is in there. Just make it and it will be good.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I was like, where was Giri roasting AG?
But tell me something, Anish. Why did you upload the marriage video yesterday? Or day
Yeah,
before?
that's a good thing. What is the
Out of the blue, no marriage anniversary, no nothing. Suddenly, story of Anish Giri in 1 minute 25 seconds.
Okay, it's a long story.
He was using me for
Yeah.
but it
Content.
did not work, and then he started talking.
No, but it was not entirely. Yeah, how to say?
How to
Yeah,
say?
no, it was partly my editor's idea. I'll say it like that. Yeah.
But look at
Anish
it.
is
It has
literally the
54,000
name of the
views.
video is shamelessly using Vidit Gujarati for content. That's the title.
Where?
Yeah.
this
One
video.
title.
Shameless.
He-
At
Even
least,
in
at
that-
least I write what I
No,
do. Yeah, when I do
Even
this. I mean.
even in that, his expression is same. Are you putting? It's the same selfie.
Yeah,
It's the same selfie. Look at
it's a green. It's a green
the same
selfie.
selfie.
Yeah, guys. I also have now one picture of Anish, which is probably the creepiest.
This is
Look at
definitely the
his
creepiest. Yeah.
Oh man.
What is the smile?
Anish looks good only in one angle. And that's
Yeah,
also
yeah,
not the
I-
angle he uploads in the photos.
I think how many highlights he's going to make of this wedding video with Sopiko, yeah?
I've seen at least 10 highlights from that video where you were playing blindfold against Vidit. At least 10 I have seen.
No, but that's very good, amplifying the content. I
Yeah.
keep telling Sagar,
You know, Anish.
amplify the content.
Amplifying the content.
Amplifying it, and basically you need.
Amplifying can mean not into 2, but into 10 also.
I thought when you are preparing for candidates, the YouTube channel will be,
But,
like nothing
you
will
know,
come, but it was going
how-
on
yeah,
and on.
yeah,
every day.
How it
For
is
sure.
for Anish said, when I was roasting Anish, there was one good joke and I had to make 10 minutes edit. The same for Anish. He makes one good joke and he has to make 10 videos just to show that one joke. So that's desperation.
Oh, guy, we did just stole my joke and now told it, and because the thing is, when he'll make highlight of this, nobody will see I made the joke first. He'll make highlight of only his joke, and everybody will laugh.
Guys, before you both, Sagar Shah will already have put the highlight on Chess Gaming. Tonight at 5.
Because he doesn't play Among Us, he'll do this instead. Yeah, for sure.
Sagar Shah, businessman.
Oh, I have to review the highlight. Yeah. Of India. Oh, wait.
Guys, before we finish it,
Guys, I
I
got
a
a.
picture. One sec, Sagar.
Yeah.
See, he's taking selfie of a selfie in a
Oh,
mirror.
that's
Oof.
so cute.
But here, at least he looks
Dude.
good.
No, you don't.
Thank you,
He
bye.
was showing something. Show.
Show again.
We were seeing something else.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
I was like, no, he's taking selfie of a selfie.
What? How old are you here?
No, it's
13 or
not so
14?
long. It's like 1-2 years ago. It was just
Yeah.
like I just put my hair with a real good product, not
Mama,
not some real good
Accepted.
product. So it was looking good, yeah.
Oh,
But, sure.
yeah, you're really looking young.
Look at this. Anish.
Okay,
What
look,
do you
guys, look. For the record, yeah, this picture, for example, is also there. Yeah, it's not like,
Oh.
Yes, they're using that here to save himself. Anish.
or for example, this look, or
Yeah, can't see.
Look what Frederick has sent. I'm going
look
to.
here.
Can you see the virtual camera, guys?
Yeah. No, this is famous.
Oh,
This is
yes.
famous.
I don't see it yet.
In the stream, you can see.
Yeah.
Oh, stream?
Here in the
Oh.
stream, yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
Look at this. Frederick is 14-year-old Anish. So cute.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, this is like.
He's
Oh,
chubby, yeah, over here.
Just the cheeks, no.
Where? Acha, on Chess Based India it is.
Look at this is Frederick, by the way.
No, at the time, Chess-based India didn't exist.
Yeah. This is
Chess-based
long.
existed, India existed, but Chess-based India
Oh,
didn't exist.
this looks so nice, no?
Oh,
This chess position?
What?
This one.
By the way, look at this photo, yeah? Anish with this look.
Oh, there's a
His
lag.
smile is actually
Let's hope my
same,
wife
like,
doesn't see this because it's a little bit embarrassing. But
Which
ah.
one?
He's talking about his Instagram.
How old were you here?
14, no?
14.
Oh, damn.
GM. He became a GM.
So 6 years ago?
How?
No, nothing.
Oh,
Sopiko
Sopiko
is
is
here.
here. Oh,
Let's see.
Sopiko.
Not see, please.
We
keep
want
that photo.
Sopiko. Sopiko, please come. So, Anish,
Sopiko,
get
you
Sopiko.
see something. Sopiko, you
Arey,
cannot
why
miss
are you saying
this.
bye?
Hey,
Why are
why
you saying
bye? What is this? Anish, get Sopiko.
Yeah, he has to see you.
Anish.
No, she was. I think she was on her way to, to sleep.
Look at AD. Eddie, you know, the beast has lost all his energy. He's like,
The dead beast.
Just
Guys, this stream should be called Taming the Beast. Yeah, Taming the Beast.
now everyone is doing their work. Eddie is doing something in his laptop. Samay is sending wishes or replies to someone.
Yeah.
Samay,
No,
are you
I'm
making
saying
a
Vidit
tweet?
Gujarat. I'm stalking Vidit Gujarati's childhood
From?
from his Instagram.
Karthik said you got it all wrong, guys. That's one pic with 100 Photoshop backgrounds for Anish's Insta.
Oh.
VD versus AGGM Stern Roasters waiting for Pune roast battle.
Guys, you know you are so
Oh, we can
ungrateful.
actually have a roast battle also if you don't want to do stand up. Sagar Shah versus Vidit Gujarati.
अरे
अरे
मैं
सागर
क्या
is too
रोस्ट
cute
करूं
to
यार?
roast.
मैं
अरे
विदित
भाई,
को क्या
आप-
रोस्ट करूंगा?
समय भाई फेक लाफ कर दो ना एक.
fake class. Fake class.
Okay.
What is he doing?
नहीं ब्लर हो गया, रुको सॉरी, फोन अच्छा नहीं है.
विदित इंस्टाग्राम पे लगाएगा. ए रुक विदित, मैं भी आ रहा हूं.
Okay.
हाँ अभी कर फिर से.
अरे भाई आप फ्रेम में नहीं थे, सॉरी.
नहीं अभी कर रहा. अरे हाँ तू इधर से ले रहा है,
Selfie.
जूम से ले रहा है. हाँ ओके.
क्लिक ही नहीं हो रहा.
Okay. Chalo,
Sorry, phone
guys.
change. I need a new
everybody's
phone.
saying, sleep, guys.
Okay.
Sleep,
Yes,
guys.
I think it's
sleep,
time.
guys.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think it's
all right,
time.
guys. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.
Take care.
Peace, guys.
See you guys.
I
The
wished
final happy birthday.
Adivan, are you still fine? Okay.
Yeah, almost. Now that we are finally good.
We'll jump to bed now.
विदित इतना फ्रेश कभी नहीं देखा है मैंने तेरे को इतना लेट.
Yeah, what? Viri is ready for
I'm
a
not
marathon.
fresh.
Yeah.
I'm not fresh.
विदित लाइक
Like,
अमोंग अस खेलेगा अभी और 4 घंटा.
Yeah. Very surprised.
By the way,
can.
कौन जीता?
I think Karyakin was better. I read in chat. I mean, I don't know.
अच्छा वो टूर्नामेंट खत्म भी हो गया.
No, I
हो
don't
गया
know.
होगा अब तक तो.
हाँ बराबर
अब तो
एक
नहीं,
ही
नहीं,
होगा.
नहीं.
कौन
नहीं,
था
फाइनल
उसका-
और लंबा है.
उसका ओपोनेंट कौन था?
डूडा.
अच्छा डूडा.
Oh,
Hey,
really?
he has to play one more after
That is
you, yeah.
amazing.
Oh, I like this. AD gave all his energy to VD.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
I was doing this spirit bomb.
Horse
nice,
2.5, 2.5.
Oh okay.
चल फिर सागर भाई chess.com को रेड मार के आते हैं.
चलो
देखो अभी देखो सागर चलो देखो.
हाँ, चलेगा मेरे को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. क्या बोल कैसे करने का?
What is the
Chess India
procedure
raid.
to raid?
या तो I have to put up the browser on this.
No,
I
you
think
can
now
just
Sagar
say.
is so close to say, okay, चलो Among Us ही खेल लेते हैं.
Oh,
चलो. Let's call it a night.
चलो, let's call it a
Yes.
night, guys. Good
Happy
night.
birthday,
Good
Samay.
night.
Once more.
Thank you.
Have a
Happy
good one.
birthday, the star
And
of
I'm going to
YouTube.
upload now this Zoom call because you guys bullied my selfies. Okay, I'll put something on Instagram different.
Somebody's on his own trip there. Okay, chalo.
Good
Bye
night.
bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye
guys.
Beast.
Bye,
Bye
bye.
bye
Bye,
AG.
bye.
Bye VD.
Bye.
Bye Samay. Happy birthday. 23 years
Love you,
old.
bye.
Take care.